I bet you are confused again. So let's design a simple flowchart that uses the assignment and the mathematical operators only. So the flowchart that we will design solves the area of the rectangle. So what are the inputs? Yes, the length and the width of the rectangle. So our process is to assign the product of the length and the width to the area. And the last step is to output the area. Okay, it's easy, right? Then let's try a little harder example. We will use the relational operators and the diamond symbol. Let's try to design a flowchart that tells whether the area is larger or the perimeter is larger or both the area or perimeter are equal. Note, we will only compare the value and not the size, okay? So what are the inputs, do you think? Yes, it is the length and the width. So there are two processes. First, you need to assign the area to the area or the length times width. And also we will assign the 2 times length plus 2 times width to the perimeter. Then the second process includes decision making. So first we will check if the perimeter is larger than the area. If it is true, then we can print that perimeter is larger. If it is not true, then we will check again if the area is larger than the perimeter. If this is true, then we can print that the area is larger. And finally, if it is again false, we are sure that both the perimeter and the area are equal. So we will print that they are equal. And then, after printing, don't forget to go to stop. Okay? Just hold on for a little bit. We are about to end the lesson. Let's try to use the diamond in repeating the process. For example, we are just bitter and we don't want to stop until the area is greater than the perimeter. So let's design the flowchart. So of course the first step are the inputs and they are still the same, the length and the width. Then the next process are the processes. So you need to assign the area and the perimeter. And then next is the diamond part, the decision making part, to check if the area is greater than the perimeter. If it is greater than, then we achieve our goal and we exit. We will go to stop. If it is not, then we will go back to another input value of the length and the width. And we will do this until the area is greater than the perimeter. Okay? So just a note, we go back before the input values of the length and the width to change the values of both length and width. So if we go back after the input values of the length and width, then the values are still the same and the repetitions will never stop. So we must avoid it to happen. Though it could be useful to prove that forever exists. This forever repetition is also called an infinite loop. Okay? This is the end of our lesson and see you again next time. Though I can see you, okay? Before everything else, you will have to answer the assignment number 2 and the formative assessment. Next week, we will start lessons on C programming. Thank you.